Blockchain technology is driving transformation in the real estate investment market. Article summary. 1. Real estate tokenization is emerging as a new trend attracting the attention of cryptocurrency enthusiasts, representing a shift towards placing real-world assets on blockchain infrastructure. Unlike traditional real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate tokenization allows individuals to invest in single properties. 2. In the process of real estate tokenization, properties are divided into digital tokens that record ownership history and regulatory information, stored on the blockchain. This increases asset liquidity and facilitates quicker ownership transfers. 3. Blockchain technology also enables 24/7 trading in the real estate market and enhances transaction transparency. It is projected that by 2034, the market size for real estate tokenization will reach $26 billion, with a compound annual growth rate of 2.9%. 4. Real estate tokenization is part of a broader trend of tokenizing real-world assets. One of the world's largest asset management firms, BlackRock, has launched a tokenized U.S. Treasury product based on Ethereum. Industry experts predict that the tokenization market will reach $1 trillion level by 2030. 5. The development of blockchain and artificial intelligence technologies is reshaping the economic landscape. In the context of a shift from inflation to deflation, companies adopting these innovative technologies are expected to better cope with margin pressures and emerge as new market leaders. Overall, blockchain technology is driving the real estate investment market towards greater liquidity, transparency, and globalization. This trend indicates significant growth potential for the future asset tokenization market and will bring about profound changes in the economic structure. Here is a briefing summarizing the content of several articles provided. Ethereum Outlook Analysis, Mixed Signals. Article Summary. 1. Renowned analyst Peter Brandt has identified an inverted head and shoulders pattern on Ethereum's daily chart, typically seen as a strong buy signal. The number of active Ethereum addresses currently exceeds 5 million, reflecting its significant position in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. 2. However, the price trajectory of Ethereum remains uncertain. Historically, it has experienced significant volatility, which poses risks for investors. Currently, Ethereum's price hovers near a critical support level, warranting cautious consideration from investors. 3. Another analyst, Benjamin Cowan, warns that Ethereum may repeat a 2019 pattern during the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike cycle, potentially dropping to around $1,000. This could raise concerns among investors. 4. In contrast, the price of SUI has surged by 112% over the past month, nearing historical highs and drawing market attention. However, its RSI indicator suggests it may have entered overbought territory, making future price movements worth monitoring. 5. Meanwhile, the blockchain project BlockDAG has extended its pre-sale discount by 50%, attracting a significant influx of funds, with total pre-sale funds nearing $9.9 billion. This presents a new option for investors to consider. In summary, the outlook for Ethereum is mixed, and investors need to carefully assess its risk-reward ratio. Emerging projects like SUI and BlockDAG are also worth attention, as they may present new opportunities for investors. Bitcoin and major cryptocurrencies have experienced significant declines, reflecting a pullback in the stock market. Nevertheless, the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market remains in the greed zone. Noteworthy points. 1. Bitcoin's market dominance has risen to its highest level since April 2021, indicating that investors prefer Bitcoin's relative stability. However, some analysts believe this may signal a weak short-term outlook for Bitcoin. 2. The Solana ecosystem has shown strong performance, with its native token SOL and several AI-themed niche tokens surging, reflecting market enthusiasm for emerging projects. 3. Newly launched cryptocurrency projects such as Qtify, Lumia, and Freedom Fighters are attracting investor attention through innovative mechanisms and services, injecting new vitality into the cryptocurrency market. Overall, while the cryptocurrency market is experiencing short-term volatility, the emergence of new projects and changes in market dominance indicate the ongoing development and vitality of the cryptocurrency industry. Investors should carefully assess risks and seize opportunities. Briefing: SOL strategies in the Solana ecosystem. 1. SOL Strategies, formerly Cypherpunk Holdings, is a publicly traded cryptocurrency investment firm that has recently made significant adjustments to its investment strategy, shifting its focus to the Solana ecosystem. 2. Under the leadership of new CEO Leah Wald, SOL Strategies has made substantial purchases and staked SOL tokens, becoming one of the validators on the Solana network and earning substantial staking rewards. 3. This approach is akin to MicroStrategy's incorporation of Bitcoin into its corporate balance sheet, providing investors with an indirect opportunity to invest in Solana. However, unlike MicroStrategy, SOL Strategies has not used debt financing to acquire SOL. 4. Recently, Solana has seen significant growth in user numbers and transaction volumes, particularly driven by platforms like Pump.Fund for memecoins. SOL Strategies believes in Solana's long-term growth prospects, given its high throughput and low transaction fees, which provide advantages in financial applications. 5. Although SOL Strategies has shifted its focus to Solana, the company maintains a degree of investment diversification, continuing to hold Bitcoin and other crypto assets. Future risks may include the SEC's approval of a Solana ETF, which could reduce the attractiveness of SOL Strategies stock. In summary, SOL Strategies is actively participating in the development of the Solana ecosystem, becoming an important channel for investors to gain exposure to Solana. With Solana's continued growth, SOL Strategies is expected to play a significant role in the future. The mystery of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Summary: the true identity of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, remains an unresolved mystery. A recent HBO documentary suggests that Satoshi may be individuals like Peter Todd or Adam Back, but the truth remains uncertain. Regardless of who Satoshi is, their existence has sparked deep reflections on innovation, motivation, and privacy. Key points. 1. The identity of Satoshi Nakamoto has not been confirmed, with various speculations including Peter Todd and Adam Back. 2. Satoshi may have passed away, which could benefit Bitcoin's development, as their identity would not be questioned, nor would they alter Bitcoin's rules. 3. Whether Satoshi is a single person or a team remains a mystery, potentially impacting future innovation possibilities. 4. Satoshi has not utilized the large amount of Bitcoin mined initially, prompting thoughts on motivation and privacy. 5. Some extreme speculation suggests Satoshi may be the CIA, but such claims lack sufficient evidence. In conclusion, the mystery of Satoshi Nakamoto's identity persists, but this enigma itself has provoked profound reflections on innovation, motivation, and privacy, holding significant academic and practical implications. Here is a briefing summarizing the content of several articles provided. Vitalik Buterin strongly criticizes Michael Saylor's Bitcoin custody proposal. Article summary. 1. Vitalik Buterin criticized Saylor's proposal as utterly insane. Saylor advocates for investors to entrust cryptocurrencies to major banks, while Buterin believes this contradicts the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency. 2. Buterin argues that entrusting crypto assets to regulated entities like BlackRock and Fidelity may lead to excessive regulatory intervention, a practice known as regulatory capture, which has many precedents and is not the best path for cryptocurrency. 3. Meanwhile, Saylor is attempting to position his company, MicroStrategy, as a leading Bitcoin bank, currently holding 252,000 Bitcoins. Analysts suggest Saylor's statements may be aimed at promoting this agenda. 4. The debate between Buterin and Saylor reflects the core issue of centralization versus decentralization in the cryptocurrency space. This controversy could influence the technological development and regulatory environment of cryptocurrencies. 5. Additionally, the ongoing developments in the Ripple case highlight the significant impact of regulation on the cryptocurrency industry. Overall, the divergence between Buterin and Saylor underscores the key challenge facing the cryptocurrency industry: how to seek a balance between personal freedom and institutional control. The direction of this debate may significantly affect the future of cryptocurrency. Briefing: Changpeng Zhao regains freedom. On October 24, 2024, Changpeng Zhao, CZ, was released after serving a 4-month federal prison sentence. As the founder of Binance, CZ was sentenced for failing to adequately enforce anti-money laundering and KYC, Know Your Customer, regulations. Despite facing legal challenges, CZ's influence remains extensive. After his release, he will make his first public appearance at Binance Blockchain Week in Dubai on October 30 to 31. This has sparked speculation about the price trajectory of Binance Coin, BNB, as CZ's activities have previously driven significant price increases. However, analysts note that BNB's price movements are often not heavily influenced by CZ's personal dynamics, as it has already become the 4th largest cryptocurrency, holding a significant position in the crypto market. Furthermore, CZ has indicated that he will focus more on charitable endeavors in the future, such as his Giggle Academy project, aimed at providing free quality education to underprivileged children worldwide. In summary, CZ's regained freedom may allow him to continue exerting influence in family, charity, and cryptocurrency sectors, but the operation of Binance will be managed by the existing team, with CZ no longer involved in daily management. Briefing: 1. The cryptocurrency Russell experienced a brief price surge after the AI chatbot Truth Terminal mentioned Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's dog, Russell. Some analysts believe this may have been a deliberate manipulation by traders to drive up Russell's price before cashing out. 2. The annual Halloween concert event I Put a Spell on You successfully raised $230,000 for the Ollie Forney Center in 2024. This event featured performances from numerous Broadway stars and will be streamed live from October 27 to 31 via Broadway On Demand, with proceeds supporting the charity. 3. The Washington Commanders started the season with a 5-2 record, marking their best start in recent years. However, the team has struggled with first-round draft picks in recent years, with all 5 first-round rookies from 2019 to 2022 now leaving the team. New GM Adam Peters and head coach Dan Quinn have made significant changes this season, but the team's rebuilding journey remains challenging. Overall, these articles cover diverse news topics, including speculative behavior in the cryptocurrency market, charitable activities by Broadway stars, and the rebuilding process of an NFL team. The briefing highlights the most valuable information points and provides a concise summary of the content, aiming for completeness and emphasis on key aspects. This briefing focuses on the coaching philosophy of new Charlotte Hornets head coach Charles Lee and the team's defensive development. According to reports, Lee made it clear during his first training camp practice that building the team's defense is his top priority. He conducted 4 consecutive defensive drills to convey the importance of defense to the players. Lee believes that if the team's defense is solid, it can lead to more victories. Lee particularly emphasized the concept of MEG, most important guy, meaning the player guarding the ball is the most critical. He considers Cody Martin, Josh Green, and Brandon Miller to be the team's best defenders, but hopes to improve the defensive capabilities of other players, especially the team's core player LaMelo Ball. Reports indicate that Ball has consistently faced issues on the defensive end, but Lee believes that with his long reach and athleticism, he has the potential to become a top defensive player if he can maintain focus. Lee has observed improvements in Ball's defensive performance during training over the past month. In summary, this report highlights the coaching philosophy of new head coach Lee and the focus on defensive development, analyzing the issues and improvements regarding the team's core player LaMelo Ball on defense. This information is valuable for understanding the Charlotte Hornets' direction for the new season and the team's overall performance. Sorry, I couldn't find any content related to Gavin Wood. This briefing is about a photography collection of doors in London, including interesting details such as the tallest door, the oldest door, and the most expensive doorknobs. The article vividly describes the history and diversity of London's doors, providing deeper insights into the city's architectural culture. However, since this article is unrelated to Gavin Wood, I cannot write a relevant briefing based on the provided content. If you have articles on other topics, I will do my best to create a concise and valuable briefing for you. October 24, 2024 briefing. Topic: Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin and his company Consensys. Key information. 1. Microsoft has become one of the investors in Consensys' new $700 million funding round, with the blockchain startup's valuation exceeding $7 billion. 2. Microsoft is competing with tech giants like Meta, Google, and Twitter to secure a place in the Web3 space. Previously, Microsoft acquired Activision Blizzard for $69 billion to solidify its position in the metaverse. 3. Consensys, founded in 2014, is a software developer for the Ethereum network and has rapidly developed in areas such as decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the metaverse. The company developed the MetaMask wallet and the Infura tool suite. 4. This funding will be used to expand Consensys NFT business and add 600 employees. Summary: the investment from tech giants like Microsoft in Joseph Lubin's blockchain company Consensys, with a valuation exceeding $7 billion, reflects the significant position of blockchain technology in the Web3 era. Consensys is rapidly growing and will continue to expand its business in DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse. Briefing: Jihan, a giant in cryptocurrency mining and fashion. Jihan is the undisputed king of cryptocurrency mining and mining pools. His company Bitmain in Beijing was valued at $12 billion after its latest funding round. Wu has been a strong supporter of Bitcoin Cash, a controversial fork of Bitcoin. Earlier this year, his company led a $110 million funding round for Circle, the highest-valued cryptocurrency startup in the U.S. Wu expressed to Fortune magazine his interest in stablecoins, price-stable virtual currencies, and plans to diversify Bitmain's business by developing AI chips. Meanwhile, Nike is preparing to re-enter the market with 36 rooms. Over 20 years ago, Nike first launched the Wu-Tang Killer Bees Nike Dunk high-top sneakers, and Wu-Tang fans are excited about this new collaboration with the sports giant. This partnership will provide exclusive access to limited edition sneakers through Spotify's Loyal Fans program, available only to the top listeners of the Wu-Tang Clan. The original Wu-Tang Dunk high tops now fetch up to $45,000 on the secondary market, and new versions are already appearing on resale platforms, priced at up to $500. Nick Szabo, cryptography pioneer and the Bitcoin mystery. Nick Szabo is a renowned cryptographer and computer scientist who has made significant contributions to the digital currency field. He coined the concept of bit gold in the late 1990s, which is considered a precursor to Bitcoin. Szabo's writing style closely resembles that of Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, leading to speculation that he may be Nakamoto. However, Szabo has consistently denied being Satoshi. In addition to Szabo, several others have been suspected of being Nakamoto, including retired physicist Dorian Nakamoto and early Bitcoin software operator Hal Finney. However, these individuals have also denied being the creator of Bitcoin. Despite Szabo's denial of being Nakamoto, his contributions to cryptography and digital currency are undeniable. His concept of smart contracts laid the groundwork for modern cryptocurrencies. Regardless of Nakamoto's true identity, the mystery and influence of Bitcoin are captivating. This unresolved enigma is one of the most intriguing aspects of Bitcoin. In summary, Nick Szabo is a pioneer in cryptography and digital currency, whose work laid the foundation for the creation of Bitcoin, but he denies being Satoshi Nakamoto. The mystery of the Bitcoin creator's identity continues to provoke speculation and discussion. Briefing: Andreas M. Antonopoulos, a pioneer and advocate of cryptocurrency. Andreas M. Antonopoulos is a well-known cryptocurrency expert and author. He has extensive experience and insights in the cryptocurrency field, making him one of its pioneers and advocates. Main points. 1. Cryptocurrencies are an irreversible technological innovation that will become part of our future financial system. 2. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are not Ponzi schemes, but rather a new means of storing and exchanging value. 3. Although the cryptocurrency market has bubbles and criminal activities, this does not negate its technological value and potential. 4. Governments and regulatory bodies should manage and regulate the cryptocurrency market with an open and positive attitude, rather than simply prohibiting it. Summary. Andreas Antonopoulos is a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency field, firmly believing that cryptocurrency technology will become a vital component of the future financial system. He calls on governments and regulatory bodies to manage and regulate the cryptocurrency market with an open and positive approach, rather than outright bans. His views provide important theoretical support for the development of cryptocurrency.